HighLevel just released a new feature, AI follow-up, and this is an absolute game changer. If you've been using AI for a while, you know that it does a pretty good job at accomplishing a task, booking a call, qualifying a lead. But we all know that fortune is in the follow-up, and previous AI, it accomplished a goal and it pretty much stopped there and it worked amazing. But I'm going to walk you through, give you some ideas and context to this. I'm going to start here, but I'll walk back and go through everything A to Z, make sure you have a crystal clear picture on how to get everything up and going. But this is going to allow you the opportunity to follow up after a lead stops engaging. If somebody says they're busy and then can't talk right there, or they ask to be reached out to at a specific time. Nothing is worse, and I'm sure you know that when somebody asks you to follow up and it slips through cracks and you forget, and super good when that happens. This solves all of that problem for us. This is going to give us the opportunity to be able to follow up 5 times when a lead goes quiet or stops responding. You can push them over into specific workflows. For example, we have longer term nurture, or if there are specific things that you want to accomplish, you can have it fire off those specific workflows at certain follow-up touch points as well. You can set these to go out. At any rate, the shortest time period is 2 minutes, but these build off of each other. An hour, you do your first one, then the second one's going to follow up X number of time periods after that, all the way down to, and you could do days, hours, minutes on all of these, and they are cumulative, so it'll stack on top of each other. Next one, you need to make sure you turn on this button as well to make sure that it's going. And then if the contact is busy, so this one's, hey, I'm busy, can't talk right now. Again, same thing, you can add on additional follow-ups. And then this next one is going to be contact requested to follow up at a specific time. So this function is, hey, or accommodate. Give you an example, and I'll show you how it looks on the next screen over here. Say, I'm busy, I can't talk right now. Can you follow up with me at this time? So that would be an example of I'm busy, and then reach back out to me now. Here's an example. Hey, hey there. We were actually just testing this one out for generating sellers, but we have our couple automated follow-up message, and then I responded back, sorry, I'm driving right now, can't chat. Can you get back to me after 1:12? I'm busy right now, I can't talk. And then can you get back to me at this time? No worries, I'll check back with you after that time. Feel free to reply if you have any time that comes available. And then you can see down here at 1:12, right on nose, it follows up, hey, quick follow up, 10:10, like Google Docs, things like that as well, PDFs. So you can train it on tons and tons and tons of information and give it a well-rounded. They don't necessarily they don't have to be yours. You could just give it general information as well. So the training component is super user-friendly, and you can essentially give it as much information as you want to learn from and reference. On the bot goals here, let me click over. On the bot goals, essentially this is where we have we're teaching its prompt, and then this is where we actually get into setting up the auto follow-up. So for the prompt itself, you have a personality, intent. So intent is essentially for what do you want it to accomplish. So booking a live transfer, queue it up for a live transfer or a callback, and additional details in here. I have a bunch of examples or sample prompts that you can use for mortgage and real estate. If you want a copy of this, let me know. So this is a short form appointment booking. These ones are primarily based for scheduling appointments, and it's mostly going to be inside sales agent for buyer leads. For this example here, it's asking questions. Where are you looking? Bedrooms, bathrooms, what's your motivation? Are you pre-approved? Things that we're really gauging their interest. Other examples of AI follow-up. So we have that's short form, long form. So short forms, fewer questions. Longer forms, okay, we really want to get good qualified leads. Great applicable use case for this as well for our clients is going to be with for loan officers, referral partners, so working with real estate agents. These ones are generally for the most part, we would be qualifying a lead. We want to make sure that are they in the top 20% of agents who actually did a deal in the last 12 months? If so, then that's obviously somebody that you would be open to working with as a referral partner versus somebody who's not. So where are they currently at? What's your current performance? Where do you want to get to? And the so again, personality, intent. Cool thing here is, and you can actually include um, uh, merge codes from the actual leads and stuff. So if you want it to pull contact or information from that, so in this case, this one was set up to pull bedrooms, bathrooms, details on specific properties. So it's going out and it's pulling information from Zillow to have a conversation about specific property, listing price, things like that. You can get very, very detailed with the type of conversation that it's having. Like, um, uh, yeah, awesome stuff. Super excited about this. Again, if you have any questions or need any help with this, don't hesitate.